Meksoki mga kaibigan. Meksoki mga kaibigan. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hallelujah. Meron pang isang paparating. Oh my god, Riot Slasher with a shotgun. Ayun na. Iniintay niya si Gwapo ko from YT. Tingnan natin kung gwapo nga ba siya. Ayan na mga kaibigan. At namatay si Gwapo ko from YT. Hinihintay ni Riot Slasher doon na, kasi may footstep siya nakita. The footstep. Oh my god. Meron na namang isa. TM James. Riot Slasher na naman mga kaibigan with a shotgun shot. What the heck? Oh my goodness. At plus 5 RJ mga kaibigan ay buhay pa dito sa labas ng zone. Ano kayong gagawin niya? Hinihintay niya naman yung opportunity. Ang dami niyang meds. What the heck? Anong dinala niya yung buong hospital sa kanya? Buong hospital dinala niya. Ang dami niyang beds mga kaibigan. Nag-shopping siya sa Mercury Drug. What the heck? Alright guys, grabe, sobrang dami nang nakapasok. 120 people, walang bot. Tingnan natin, sobrang dami ng mga tao dito. Jasper Fortadera, thank you for the 100 stars. We have team number 18, team number 28, and team number 7 over here. Ayan, Kingfire 256. Binabaril si Kingfire 256 ni Maison. At si Maison ay malag yung view guys. Transfer tayo dito kay I am Harvey. Maison again, once again here on the balcony. Lag talaga yung view ko kay Maison. Okay lang yan. Oy, Vansek with a riot shield against one from team number 7. Ayun na, tumatakbo. Dalawa sila dito. Ang dami na nangyayari dito guys. What the heck? Ayan na, may handgun. May handgun si Vansek 123. Lalabas si Vansek 123. I am Harvey. I am Harvey with a, oh my god, with a SMG shot taking down 2 people. Noah the second, 1, 2, 3, and Rayhan's down by I am Harvey mga kaibigan. Ayan na. Ayan na. Handgun power. Power. Dito naman nakikita natin may clash na nangyari dito. We have Vincent Gonzalez in the Jake Lodi. Saka yung mga kakampi niya, layo. Dito lang silang dalawa. Wala pala silang kalaban. Ano bang sinasabi ko? Ang dami dito guys. Dito na naman tayo. Ano? Ay. Kilab. Carol lang kumukon. Ay, mag-eat na guro ko lang. Ito lang. Alright. Ang daming tao dito guys sa may itaas. Oy, Vincent Gonzalez was finally killed. What the nani? Mayroon na namang na finally killed. Ano nangyayari dito? Anong pangalan nito? Pureville Ain what the F? WTF. Ang dami nangyari guys. Somebody is using their fist to kill somebody. Eto na, bagtak sa lamok. Driving around. Bagtak sa lamok with the red truck. Saan kaya papunta si bagtak sa lamok guys? Yung team number 1 is very scattered. He's gonna, oh my god. Patay si bagtak lamok. Bagtak sa lamok with nothing. At babagsak si bagtak sa lamok mga kaibigan. Namatay si bagtak sa lamok mga kaibigan. Eto na naman tayo sa kabila. Team number 27, we have White Pinky. White Pinky, they're looting up right here guys. Team number 7 is very safe. And we have 2 teams as well in Windcliff. Boznard is down. Eduardo from YT, 3PC fan in Mark Place PH. Eto guys. Let's look at team number 19 because yun yung kalaban nila ngayon. Ayan na, T-Rox. T-Rox. Ang dami guys. Ang daming tao. Grabe, sobra. T-Rox, no-obserbahan yung kalaban. We have 5N as well. 5N at ano yun? Ba't may handgun na pumutok? Walang bot dito guys ha. Mind you, walang bot dito. So, lahat ng mga kalaban nila, puro tao talaga. You have to be very careful. There's still clash going on right here in front of Bitter Lake Rust Bay. Breakup is going to run the open. Pinupush niya yung kalaban. Ayan na, Breakup is down by Vansek 123. What the nani? Vansek 123. Maganda yung ano niya dun. Angle niya dun. Oh, ganda diba? Angle. Ayan na, Diana Jane 213. Diana Jane, obserbahan. Tinitingnan niya kung may kalaban. Pero si Breakup mga kaibigan ay bumagsak si Breakup. Ayan na. Namatay si Breakup mga kaibigan. Ewan ko kung masisave ba nila si Breakup? We have someone with Chinese characters at may Dragon Ball siya sa ulo niya. Sanggal. Oh my God! Natamaan ng AWM coming from Savage. Savage, mga kaibigan, ay nasan si Savage? What the heck? And he's down. The Chinese guy is down. Chinese characters. Hindi ko alam kung anong character yun eh. Basta yun na yan. Savage, mga kaibigan, tinamaan. Gusto ko malaman kung nasan si Savage. Ang ganda ng shot na yun. Pero hindi ko alam kung nasan siya. What the heck? Wait lang. Uy. Yun. Savage. Ay, hindi pala si Savage yun. Nagkamali ako. Sino ba yung naka-ohm dun? Pareho kasi naka-ohm yung ano dun eh. Bumuto dun. Bumuto. Ayan na, Chinese character guys. Ba't may Dragon Ball? Saan galing yan? Ganda ng costume na yan ah. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Diana Jane saving for the save. Eto na guys. Eto na. It looks like team number 18 is struggling against team number 7 here. Team number 7 is turtling up. Nagchichill lang sila. Savage and his teammates is going for the rush. Let's go to Echo Valley. Oh my God. RNG Jacob taken down by Ronnie. Ronnie. What the heck? Eto guys. Wala naman masyadong clash na nangyayari. Dito pa di tayo sa team number 16 tsaka team number 19. T-Rex is on the push. And Beshi Pakits. Beshi, anong gagawin mo? Tatamaan mo ba yung car? Matatama mo ba yung car 98? Hindi ko na alam mag-Tagalog. Alright. T-Rex nandito sa kabilang bahay. And they're also gathered inside the house, guys. Eto na guys, wala tayong premyo guys. Sadyang for fun lang talaga to. Training grounds, practice lang. Yan natin kung may cheater guys. Sa pagkakaalam ko, yung mga aimbot ngayon ay wala na. Gumuho na ang nangyayari sa kanila. Nawala na sila sa mundo. Sarap ng Chowking. Eto guys. Okay, sinitignan ni 5N kung may kalaban pa ba doon sa kabila. Nitignan niya, no-observe niya. T-Rex is dancing like a huha. Tignan natin yung Beshi pa rin, si Beshi Pakits. Going to the view of team number 16. Excuse me. Mark Place knows that T-Rex is there and also Bosnard. 3PZ Fan and Eduardo from YT. They're still complete guys. Kompleto pa sila. May gabi, Dwen Elisan. May gabi, bye. Guys, wag po tayo mag-spam ng shoutout guys. Please lang kasi mahirap mag-commentate pag maraming nagpapa-shoutout. Tsaka hindi ko masyado nakikita yung chat ng ibang tao pag puro kayo shoutout dyan. Guys, please lang talaga guys. Yan lang yung favor ko. And T-Rex is being pushed by team number 16. Plus 5 RJ taking down, what the heck is that name? Ala. Ayan na! T-Rex. T-Rex is being, oh my God. Hindi ko alam kung anong term. Basta yun na yun. Eto na guys. Team number 12 securing Ras Bay. Marami yan silang loot for sure. Kuha nila yung Ras Bay. We have team number 28 as well. Eto na sila, kasabi nila kailangan natin umalis dito. Wala tayo sa zone. Team number 7. Dalawa na lang yung natira sa team number 7 tsaka sa team number 18. It looks like team number 18 is struggling for their health. Wala ba silang meds? Abangan yan sa susunod na kabanata. Char lang. Eto guys, apat na team nagka-clash dito. We have Bert Gaming YT from team number 2. Wala na, siya na lang yung natitira sa team number 2 tsaka yung team number 1. We have Ratolon Goat. Ratolon Goat. Nerbyosong kambing. Eto na. Bert Gaming YT is trying to be a ninja guys. He's ninjahing here. Sabi niya, chill lang tayo dyan guys. Chill lang tayo. Chill lang boss, chill lang boss. Parang may kalabang marami dati sa palibot natin ah. Huh? Team number 7 guys. Dito tayo, balik tayo sa team number 7. 25 baby. 25 baby. 25 baby. 25 baby. Iniiwanan niya si Kingfire 256. Sabi niya dyan ka lang tol. Labang makaibigan tayo. Pero wala na akong choice. Lahat ay pupunta na sa zone makaibigan. We still have 47 left on the game or in the game. And then let's look at this team. We have Riot Ome and Savage here mga kaibigan. Tumatalon-talon si Savage. Tinitingnan ko may view ba siya or may angle ba siya sa kalaban. At na si Savage mga kaibigan ay is trying to trying to look for the enemy. We have team number 10. They're up against team number 10. 15 right now. Looking not looking so good. Not looking so good. It seems like Ratolon Goat is down mga kaibigan. Senpai Gaming. Shots from Savage. Savage taking down Senpai Gaming. Senpai Gaming with the potato. 1 kilobyte. 10 pesos per kilo. Eto na, na-down na naman yung isa. Oh my god, Riot Ome going for the save again. Savage is finishing off. Senpai Gaming. Agay, natamaan na naman si Savage. Agay, natamaan na naman. My god. Savage, oh my god. Maute Kasag. Maute Kasag, mga kaibigan. Maute Kasag taking down Riot Slasher. What the heck? Maute Kasag with those shots. Maute Kasag. Grabe, ang dami kong sinabi na Maute Kasag. Grabe yung mga Maute dito, guys. Wala nang buhay. Riot Slasher is going to bleed so fast. Riot Slasher, mga kaibigan, hinihil. Tingnan natin kung mahil. Ayun na si Maute Kasag, mga kaibigan. Nakikita nila yung kalaban nasa likod ng bato. Marabag pula puti. Tanggal wali. Eto na, guys. At tutuyukin nila. Ang dami lang ano, guys. Okay. Dragon Ball. No Bray, Red Dragon Ability. Ang ganda ng pangalan. Red Dragon Ability. Alright. Eto, guys. We have someone with no name killing Bert Gaming YT. Eto na, Maute Kasag is going for the flank. Throwing a nade. Natamaan si Red Dragon Ability from Riot Slasher. Oh my god. Riot Ome with the AWM. Red Dragon Ability is down as well. It's only gonna be Nobre. But Nobre is looking at the sea. And he's trying to look for, I don't know. Ayan na, nag-shield si Nobre, mga kaibigan. For Sparta. Kaya nung gagawin niya, masisave niya pa. Nobre is taking a lot of shots. Makakaya ba ito ni Nobre, mga kaibigan? Ang ingay ko dito. What the heck? Oh my god. Red Dragon Ability as well is, oh my god. Hindi alam ni Nobre na si Riot Slasher, mga kaibigan, na nandiyan na sa gilid. Nobre is gonna fall down with that AWM shot from Riot Slasher. What a shot from Riot Slasher, mga kaibigan. Ayan na, it's gonna be 37 left. Riot Slasher having 5 kills on the board. It's very good, guys. It seems like everybody needs to get into the zone. The zone is gonna hurt so much, especially if it's gonna close in now. Ay, English na naman ako. Sorry. Eto na, guys. We have team number 12 in the middle of the map. We have Ron Landy, looking at team number 12 inside the building. What the heck? Woo! My god, guys. Ang sarap tignan, guys, na walang aimbot ngayon, guys. Ayan na, guys. Ronnie with a clear view here on that team. Pero they're taking some shots from somewhere else as well. Somewhere else, which means it's team number 19 from 5Ven and kisa tungkol sa Pakits. Okay. Yan na, guys. They look the enemy. They now see the enemy. Oh my god. He's taking another shot. They need to get out of here or they're gonna be sandwiched from both teams. They will need to find a way to get out of here, guys. Yurig eating that grenade coming from Cyclops. What the heck? What a throw by Cyclops. And coming from team number 24 as well, we have +5 RJ securing some meds. And parang NBA fight. Hey guys, ganyan talaga ako, guys. Maingay talaga ako, guys, no? Pag hindi nyo nagustuhan, i-mute nyo na lang. Char lang. Eto na, guys, team number 12 going to the zone. We have James as well. But it seems like team number 20 is up against team number 19. But, oh my goodness. It is, ano sa manihalan? Ay, whoa! What a dodge, my kaibigan. 5N, 6N, 7N, 8N. Let's go, 5N. Oh, natamaan ng car. Uy, may nakabarret na. Chance from YT777. Ayan na, 5N. 5N, potato, 10 per kilo. Alright, at natamaan din naman, mga kaibigan. Buti na lang. Kung hindi, namatay din yung isa. Alright. Ayan na, guys, grabe yung potato niya doon, pero grabe ang ganda ng game. Hopefully, di natin alam kung sino mangyayari dito, pero ang ganda ng game. Woo! Let's go to 100 watching. Share nyo yan, like and share the stream, guys, and let everyone know that may custom game tayo ngayong gabi. At ako dito, wala pang kain. Bigyan nyo ako ng pagkain, char lang. Di, biro lang yun. Excuse me. Woo! We have Team Riot, guys. 2 people from Team or Clan Riot. Everybody securing the zone. We have team number 27 here as well. Sila nila White, Pinky. Kailangan nila mag-heal, guys. The zone's gonna close in approximately 1 minute and 30 seconds. Alright, that's 1 minute and 30 seconds on the clock. And team number 12 as well going into the zone. We have James. Morphe, 8 Boy Lim 24, and J Guns YT. Jang Deng was eliminated from the game, guys. Team number 15 is going to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Yes, guys. Parang GSW versus Cleveland Cavaliers. And guys, team number 21 securing observatory. Sila yung nakauna ito sa observatory. They know that there's a team coming towards their location. Eto na. Coming from team number 21, we have someone here on the high ground. Mark Ponce. Mark Ponce, 1, 2, 3. Turning around. Going for the 3. And mura naman nag-basket kasi. Anyways, guys. Ayan na. UK Hamet. Hamet is waiting. Hindi nila alam, nasa third floor lang pala si Hamit, mga kaibigan. Team number 12 is trying to look for them, but they are not the look. Ito na team number 12, James no, may isa doon. Morphe din, hindi nila alam na nasa third floor. Nasa second floor sila. Pero si UK Hamit, mga kaibigan, ay nasa third floor, just chilling. Yo, Nash Torre Franca, what's up? Ito na J Guns YT taking some shots. Mark Ponce went into the building and tried to... Ayan na! At tumama ang mga shots! Oh my god, James! James with the AWM shot on Mark Ponce. Now, UK Hamets is on the go. On the go? Saan to? Muna mag-chooks to go? Alright. J Guns YT. Let's see what will UK Hamet here do. What will he do? UK Hamet sneaking up. Is he gonna push? Is he gonna push this? He is on the stairs. He is the stairs. Charot. Let's see what UK Hamid is gonna do here. Being as a ninja. Ayan na, naubos na yung mga kakampi niya. Morphe finishing off Jewel. And look at J Guns YT. Boom! Oh my god! Hala! Nani? Hala! UK Hamid just stared at the enemy, guys. Tinutukan niya lang yung enemy, guys, yung kalaban. Hindi niya binaril. Siguro kala niya friend niya noon. Char lang. Pero naka-move on na yung isa. Wala na. Finish na. Ayan na. 22 left in this circle, guys. Let's see what's going to happen. We have team number 20 going into the zone. We have from clan OPS. OPS. They're gonna go to the crate. But the crate is the go. Alright. Eto na, guys, we have team number 16, Strong Gaming YT, very strong with that AN94 shot. We have Strong Gaming YT with the 3 kills on the... Oh my god, what the heck's wrong with the car? Ayan na, Strong Gaming YT, mga kaibigan, tinapos niyo yung kalaban. Hindi ko alam kung namang scope niya. Eto na, guys, team number 17. I'm sorry for the advertisement. At team number 17 take it down by sino ba to? Noah from TTY. Ayan na, Noah from TY. Mexoki for the backup. Pero sabi niya, wag na. Namatay na kayo. Si Guapo Ko from YT is in there. Ayan lang, balik na lang tayo sa bahay. Let's observe. But then, James was able to take down OPS. OPS, my god, mga kaibigan, ay namatay na ngayon. We have Mexoki. Team number 12, securing observatory and taking high ground. We have team number 17 as well. They're gonna contest this. Oh my god, cancel. They're gonna contest this. Ang meaning ng contest, guys, is yung mga pageant. Hindi lang. Ano yun? They're gonna. Yun na yun. Try nila tong labanan. Yun pala, sa Tagalog. James is down, mga kaibigan. Morphe is going for the revive. But then, there's team number 22 right at their back. Is gonna go to observatory as well. They need to go inside the building and take cover. Grabe yung risk dito, guys, pag nasa open ka. Team number 29, we have Exodus John Mark, mga kaibigan. Mala basketball ang labanan, tira ng 3. Exodus John Mark taking some shots, having 18 HP, pero lumaban pa rin. Eto ang power ni Exodus John Mark, mga kaibigan. Lumaban pa rin at mamamatay siya. Huy, nakikontra si Mulikod. What the heck? Grabe, guys. Siguro kumukurog-kurog na yung kamot niya. Hindi na niya kaya. Oh my god, guys, team number 12 dominating observatory right now. They are taking control of observatory. 4 of them still alive. We have James, Morphe, Boy Lim, and J Guns. Sabi nila, dito lang tayo sa observatory, guys. Take control tayo dito. Sila White Pinky nandito pa rin. Zone is gonna be in observatory, guys, with an MGL coming from... Who are you? Chan, dito. Yung isa. Black Panther ata yung naka MGL dito guys. That's mega lol. Char lang. Eto na. Team number 17 still alive. Someone from team number 5, we have Cyclops with the blue Bugatti. Cyclops is gonna go inside the game. Inside the zone. Pinagfestahan ng crate. Woo! My god. He's inside the tak-tak. He's trying to heal up. But then, they're trying to, hindi, nahurot na yung mga trying ko dito. Ayan na, MGL coming their way. TM James trying to peek. Pero sabi niya, pasok na lang tayo, tol. Baka matamaan tayo ng MGL na yan. Masakit pa yan sa pag-ibig. Charot. Eto na guys, team number 17 is going for the move. Ayan na, taking some shots. Guwapo ko from YT. Parang hindi siya guwapo ngayon. 1/4 na lang yung buhay niya. We have... Agay! Oh my god! Riot Slasher looking at them. Nakita nila. Sabi nila, tol, tingin ka dun sa southeast, may kalaban. Ayan na, nakita nga nila. Team number 17 is gonna struggle for this guys. Nakatutok yung baril sa kanila. Hold up to, hubad. Ayan na. Team number 17 guys. Tingnan natin to guys kung anong gagawin ng team number 17. Are they gonna survive this situation? I think Meksoki is gonna die here guys. He is gonna be eliminated. Riot Slasher is still looking at them. At tumama ang headshot ni Riot Slasher doon kay Guwapo ko from YT. And then Riot Om as well with the 5 kills. And then AWM. Guwapo ko from YT. What are they gonna do? They have to go inside the zone. Ayan na guys. They have to zone. Chan from YT is gana bag YT anyway. Chan from YT with the barrett shot. Woo! What the heck? Team number 12 strongly controlling observatory guys. But plus 5 RJ, kitang-kita natin guys, the way plus 5 RJ plays the game. Ano siya guys, siya yung type na talaga siya, strategist kumbaga. Nitignan niya yung sitwasyon ng mapa, nitignan niya yung mga gunshots, ganun siya. So I commend plus 5 RJ for having that type of mindset, no? If you're gonna be in a tournament-wise gameplay guys. Yan na! Riot Slasher! What the heck with that? Oh my god, Riot Slasher finishing off 2 people from team number 12. What a rush by Riot Slasher and Riot Om. Grabe yung mga Riot. Okay. Hey guys, they're trying to nanginginig. Pinapakinggan nila yung footsteps kumbaga. Ayun na, TM James going to the 3rd floor. Riot Slasher and Riot Om just chilling like a billing, right? Billing. Ganda ng joke ko, right? Excuse me. Seems like team number 17 guys is still alive. Team number 17, I repeat. Oh my god! At Chinade is on their way. Natamaan si Riot Om. Pero ano nangyari kay Riot Om? Parang naglag ata siya. Hindi pala, joke lang. Ayan na, Riot Om is gonna go inside. Alam na ng team number 12 na nandyan sila sa loob. Anong mangyayari dito? Whew! My goodness. Riot Om is healing up. Riot Slasher as well is trying to observe. Parang ginagamit niya yung third party. Oh my god! Whoa! Wow! Anong nangyari doon guys? Anong nangyari sa ating dalawa? What a reflex. Alam nilang papunta doon. Parang nakabantay sila. So much parkour going on here guys. So much pro technique going on in the here. Ito na guys, Chan from YT777. Team number 27 is still here. But team number 12 failed to continue controlling. Failed on controlling observatory. It was their kanina position ba yung tawag doon? Team number 27. Team number 17 is still alive by the way. Team number 17 guys. Ayan na. Si Meksoki. I can't believe they survived that earlier. What the nani? Oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and look at this. 12 left. Sobrang late na ng zone. What the heck? Oh my god! Plus 5 RJ with the move. Plus 5 RJ is going to rush this. Oh my goodness. Hindi pwede mag... Oh my god. Wrong move by +5 RJ mga kaibigan. Masisira yung car niya. And then may... Oh my goodness. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako titingin guys. Hindi ko alam... Oh my god. Hindi ko na alam sa paano to. Nasa ba yun? Eto na. Ito yung pabor dito guys eh. Kasi nasa kanya yung high ground. Alam nila, makikita nila dito yung kalaban. Tsaka kung ano mang tinatapon niya dyan. Yung nahagis niya dyan. Team number 12 still guys is still alive and kicking. We have James. James is still alive mga kaibigan. Eh James! My god! Nag-headshot niya si Gwapo ko. Gwapo ko. From Haiti. Yan yung pangalan eh. Naubos talaga yung boses dito guys dahil sobrang excitement. No? Nai-enjoy natin pag ganito yung laro guys. Sobrang liit na ng zone. We have 9 lift. 9 lift on the map. +5 RJ, anong gagawin mo bro? Gagawin dito ni +5 RJ ay mamamatay siya sa zone. Hindi malamuntik na siya mamatay sa zone. ang liit na ng ano niya. Ang buhay niya at naka-heal pa siya. What the heck? Gagawin niya dito ay ano, hihintayin niya na mag-move yung mga kalaban dito. Tsaka doon na siya mag-move. Oh, di ba? Team number 17. Gwapo ko from Haiti still surviving. Grabe. Grabe tong taong to. Buhi pa. Buhay pa pala. Ewan ko guys kung anong mangyaring clashing dito. Sabi niya, uy, may medkit ako tol. Importante yung tubig guys, you know? Drink water readily. Joke na naman, namatay. Breaking news. Joke, namatay sa live stream. Dang dang. Riot Ome and Riot Slasher mga kaibigan nandito pa rin. Pero si Riot Ome ay parang nagdadasal. Anong tinitignan niya? Parang lag ata to siya. Kanina pa to siyang lag eh. Oo, lag nga to siya. Wala, mamamatay siya. Ayay. Wala na. Sinisave pa rin ni Riot Slasher. Sabi niya, tol, magkaibigan tayo, walang iwanan. Sabi niya. Pero eto na! Eto na! Mixoki! Mixoki mga kaibigan! Mixoki mga kaibigan! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Hallelujah! Meron pang isang paparating! Oh my god! Riot Slasher with a shotgun! Ayun na. Hinihintay niya si Gwapo ko from Haiti. Tingnan natin kung gwapo nga ba siya. Ayan na mga kaibigan! At namatay! Si Gwapo ko from Haiti. Hinihintay ni Riot Slasher doon na ano, kasi may footstep siya nakita. The footstep. Oh my god! Meron na namang isa! TM James! Riot Slasher na naman mga kaibigan with a shotgun shot! What the heck? Oh my goodness, ito +5 RJ mga kaibigan ay buhay pa dito sa labas ng zone. Ano kayong gagawin niya? Nihintay niya naman yung opportunity. Ang dami niyang meds. What the heck? Anong dinala niya yung buong hospital sa kanya? Buong hospital dinala niya. Ang dami niyang meds mga kaibigan. Nag-shopping siya sa Mercury Drug. What the heck? Eto na. Paakyat na sila mga kaibigan. It's gonna be 3 versus 1 versus 1. Alright, Riot Slasher, anong gagawin mo? You're up against 3 people. Ito na, sabi nila, mag-amping tayo dyan. Uy, grenade, that's a grenade. What the heck? Ayun na, Riot Slasher. Riot is Slasher. Riot Slasher mga kaibigan, hindi niya kinaya. That's gonna be 3 versus 1. +5 RJ sponsored by Mercury Drug. Papunta na, halaban niya ay 3. It's gonna be 3 versus 1 against +5 RJ. Ang dami pa rin yung meds. What the heck? Gano'ng kadami yung meds mo, bro? What the heck? Jason parang baliw. Tumakbo ka. +5 RJ. Mag-heal ka pa, bro. Kaya mo yan. Oh my god, ilang heal bang dala mo? Grabe to. Siguro. Oh my god, nakita siya ni Black Panther. Black Panther with a grenade. Boom. I am a king of Wakanda. I come in peace. Yeah guys. Ano ba yung background ko? Parang may nagdadasal. +5 RJ mga kaibigan. Jumping around. Siguro wala na siyang meds. Ito na yung time. Meron pa siyang meds guys. Grabe. At namatay si +5 RJ mga kaibigan. Wala na siyang magawa. That's a wrap mga kaibigan. Thank you for watching the stream. Muna madayon. What the heck guys?